Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful reddish pink color, dark pink, very beautiful shade, different one too, with pallu having jari lines, and we have beautiful blouse piece, all in same color. Complete saree is in single color concept. It's a very beautiful and rare color. On it we have floral pattern, blue flowers, and white is given for the leaf design. Very elegantly, closely printed with a gold jari border in both sides. Excellent color and beautiful design with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue pallu, beautiful indigo blue with jari lines, and same color blouse piece with one side black borders. The saree is completely in black, white and blue combination, almost a half and half pattern. The borders are in blue and the top half is completely plain black with the block prints in half white color in the lower half alone. Very beautifully the printing is done in a way that the triangle is formed with the lower border. Excellent one, beautiful designing with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green, pastel green and red color pallu with red blouse piece. Block prints are also present in the pallu as well as the jari lines. And the saree is in a very beautiful light half white color with mild cream tinge. And on it the printing is done using olive green pastel shade with different printing design, and we also have a border design in the both side borders that is done using black and red color. The borders are also in red base. Excellent combination. Beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark indigo blue pallu with block prints in peach color and same color blouse piece with one side light blue color borders. The saree have a beautiful design vertically. Light blue as well as green is given. Whole saree have vertical coloring, and we also have a beautiful printing design that is done using almost a brick red. Very beautiful one. The borders are in dark blue color, pallu color. Excellent combination, very different saree, exclusive design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a bluish grey color saree, dark one with completely in same color pallu, block printed design in half white color and jari lines. Same color plain blouse piece. This is a blue with grey tinge. Beautiful color, dark shade. The complete saree is printed diagonally. It has checks pattern and done using half white color. Very simple, very beautiful, very different color saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a maroon and dark grey color pallu vertically, and we also have vertical jari lines, and the same maroon color blouse piece with one side grey borders. Completely contrast blouse piece. The saree is in white base, half white color with the printing completely in grey. We also have temple borders in both sides in the same grey color. The zari borders are also on grey base. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful magenta pink color pallu with jari lines, jari border, same color blouse piece with one side blue borders, otherwise plain blouse piece. The saree is a very beautiful bright royal blue shade, and we have the checker pattern design block printed using white and pink here all over the saree. The borders are in very beautiful pallu color pink. Combination is really beautiful, extra contrast and beautiful looking one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. We have a beautiful red pallu with block prints in on half white base, red and black used for the block printing, and jari lines, and same red blouse piece. Saree have multiple block print design used. You can see borders on the red base, and again we have a border design that is done using black. Next to that we have a block printed design on white base. The complete saree is on half white base and two designs are printed in red and as well as black. Very differently it's being done. It's excellent and exclusive design with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful black pallu with white printings, and we have very elegant jari lines. Same full black and jet black color blouse piece, plain one. The complete saree is in black and white concept, white base. The block printing is done, a black base and white block printing is done on white colors. You can see the beautiful hibiscus pattern, very elegantly printed closely in the saree. Border designs are also horizontally printed. Very elegant one, beautiful one, and majestic too with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful red pallu with block printed design. White and black is also there. The same red blouse piece with one side yellow borders. The saree is in a beautiful dual shade color, both Tassa color and mild yellow is also there. And the block printing is done in almost a diamond shape. Very beautiful design. Grey is used for printing, and we also have dual color borders. Red is on the zari part, and next to that we have an yellow border as well. Very different design, beautiful and exclusive with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, white base with black block prints, and we also have blue design, dark blue color, teal blue with black mix pallu. The saree is in half white color, mild yellow tinge half white, creamy yellow color. With both sides the borders are done in a block printed design. That is a very different one. Multiple colors used for it. Alternatively, all different colors used, and the borders are on the pallu base color. Very elegant, classy looking one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue, very different bootis, teal blue color pallu with zari lines and block printed design. And we have a same blue blouse piece with one side green borders, plain one. The saree completely is in green base, excellent green shade. The block printing is done in half white color, very different floral pattern. And we also have the flower design used for border design in both sides of the saree, and the borders are in pallu color, teal blue base. Very elegant color with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful yellow and cream half white color pallu, zari lines, very different temple design, vertically done one with yellow blouse piece, completely yellow color, plain one with zari borders. The saree is in dull finish, creamy half white color, beautiful one with the prints completely in yellow. It is a very different yellow, almost in a mustard shade, a fenugreek yellow we can call, with mango design buttas. We also have a big temple border design in both sides of the saree. Very elegant one, a classy saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green base color pallu with colorful block prints, multiple designs used, and we have a rusty orange color blouse piece with one side green borders, very contrast to each other. And you can see the pink saree here, magenta pink color body with the lower part completely in half white with the multiple colors and block printed designs used. Very colorful one. The borders are in green. Excellent one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful light pastel skin and brown mixed color pallu with pink and block prints, and we also have same color blouse piece with one side pink borders. The saree is in half white, creamy half white color, a classy saree with the printing completely done in grey and pink colors. The pink is very contrast to the color. The pallu colors are given for the borders also. Very different pastel shade saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful purple color, a pallu with zari lines and zari borders. And same color blouse piece, dark purple with one side yellow borders. The saree is in beautiful concept, brush painted concept. Purple is used for brush painting as well as yellow. The block prints are also present in the saree. A dual mango design, very elegantly done using a blue color, and the borders are again in purple base. Half white saree on it, beautifully the brush painting design is done with authentic silk mark, an exclusive design. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a grey pallu with block print designs in yellow, and we also have zari lines in same color, grey color blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body is in dark magenta pink with a grey block prints, very different design. You can see the zigzag lines that is done in L and the 7 shape, and we also have very beautiful leaf pattern, and the lower half of the border is completely in grey and with the same pallu design block prints done in yellow. You can see the grey borders, very elegant concept saree, exclusive with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark jet black color pallu with zari lines and zari border. Same color blouse piece with one side blue borders. The saree is a blue saree with printing in half white on it black, a completely diamond pattern, a pochambali type design printed all over, and the borders are in black piece. Elegant color with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey pallu with block printed design in half white color with zari lines also. And same grey blouse piece, dark grey color. And the saree is in dull finish half white with vertically a rusty orange color printed design, a pochambali pattern, and we also have the border designs in the grey base. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful sea blue color, mild green and aqua blue mixed color with zari lines and zari border, and same color blouse piece with one side temple design border. Beautiful blouse piece here. Color is very interesting, beautiful color, and the saree color is a half white with mild creamy green tinge. Very elegant one with mango design, big block printed designs in the saree. Here and there it's been done, and we also have a temple type design, which is a pochambali design concept done on both sides of the saree. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa. Here we have a beautiful red and black and white concept saree, elegant pallu, block printed version, and we also have a very elegant zari lines in the pallu and a red blouse piece, deep red color, almost a maroon shade red, and we have an elegant Tassa color, Tassa hand sandal mix half white color saree fully with temple border in black. Both sides of the border is given temple border along with zari border. And we also have a printed border in the bottom, very elegant horizontal printing as well as a floral pattern printed beautifully with black and red. An excellent and classy saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful black pallu with block printed design and zari lines. Same black blouse piece, contrast one for the body. The body is in very beautiful blue and white concept, the pochambali type printing design, and we also have black diamond shaped designs as well. You can see beautiful one, patch kind printed using black. Very different concept saree, beautiful and trendy design with authentic silk.
Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, done on acid wash double boiled Tassa fabric material with zari borders on both sides, dual color pallu, blue and red with zari lines, blue color blouse material with borders on both sides, chessboard pattern on both sides. In the middle we have multicolor blue, green, half white and red with the block prints and a red color jari borders. Excellent design with authentic silk mark. Thank you.
Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Dual color pallu, mild orange color and yellow color in the pallu, vertically with block prints and jari lines, and we have same rusty orange color blouse piece. The saree is completely in Tassa color, half white, and we have two different designs printed all over the body horizontally. Black and red is used for the printing, and we also have the border designs in black. The basic border, the jari border, is on yellow color base. Very different collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. We have a beautiful deep blue color, a royal blue color pallu with jari lines as well as jari block printed design. Same blue, it's almost a Prussian blue here, darker than the royal blue color. Saree is in creamy half white, very elegant one, fully of fish concept saree. The small block prints are in small fishes design in black as well as in blue, and we have the lower part in a border design is also a fish pattern, very elegantly printed using black and contrastly in blue. Different one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. We have beautiful shades of brown pallu with jari lines and block printed design, zigzag pattern, and we have same brown color blouse piece. The saree is in two shades of brown or orange mixed with brick brown color and light brown color, and the middle part is completely printed on grey base with half white color flowers. Very elegant one, and it is a kind of party saree, the half saree model. The lower part is completely grey in the top, otherwise it is same, which is looking really beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful pallu, royal blue base, and we also have pink as well as half white with beautiful owl and the leaf printed design, and we have same color, the royal blue color blouse piece with one side pink borders. The saree is in beautiful ananda blue color. Very beautifully the layers are given in the saree. Multiple block prints are used. You can see the kalamkari amman face as well as the floral pattern and the owl pattern printed on the half white base. We also have a magenta pink color borders in both sides. Very elegant pattern saree. Multiple designs used in exclusive piece with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, red, black as well as white is given along with the elephant block prints, and we have a maroonish red color, red almost with a blouse piece with one side black borders. It's very different and contrast design saree. The body color, body is in a partly type half saree model. The top saree we have prints all over in black and white base. We have a portion which has black background and elephants in white, and the lower part is completely contrary. Top is completely half white and only the lower border design is given. Very different saree, elegant one. The borders are in red, which is very attractive with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink pallu with owl design introducing black color, and we also have jari lines, and we have a very different pastel light brown and grey mixed color blouse piece with one side printed design using black. Very different concept saree. The saree is in black base with owl printed, big owl design printed with the pink borders, and temple borders also given on both sides of the border. Very elegant saree, very different printing, trendy one with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful ananda blue color pallu with dark blue color prints, zebras as well as the floral patterns printed. The very contrast brownish green color blouse piece. Saree is in light green tinge, light pista green tinge, half white, with printing completely done using a very different green, that is an olive shade, and we have the borders in blue and the blue color. Differently, the zebras are dog design is printed in the lower half of the saree. It is done using dark blue, very elegant stuff with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon and blue color pallu, vertically with jari lines, and we have maroon color blouse piece with one side blue borders. The complete saree is in maroon and blue base. We have a very beautiful body design. First half we have the blue concept and the lower half is in maroon base. The prints are completely on white base here. Completely, you can see the horizontal printing design, buttas as well as multiple designs printed very elegantly with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful white and red combo saree with prints in red on half white base color pallu, and we have the same red color blouse piece as well. Jari lines adds beauty to the saree pallu. Complete saree is in creamy half white except the blouse piece. And we have the printing, very elegant open feather peacock design, new block printed, and also we have the peacock as well as a different pattern printed in both in borders. Border design in the top and peacock design in the bottom. Elegant one, very classy with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful rust color, rusty orange color pallu, dark shade, mild brown mixed color with jari lines and same color blouse piece. Saree is in half white base with the printing completely in the pallu color. The borders are also on the pallu color, and the leaves are given in a very different greyish green color. Excellent one, new design, very elegant block printed design with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have an orange and grey color pallu with jari lines and beautiful block prints in grey. Very different one with a rusty orange color blouse piece. The saree is in beautiful and contrast color for the pallu and blouse. It is a half white, a creamy half white color with very different prints. Two designs are given here, both mango as well as peacock. Very different prints, and we also have border designs printed in both ends. The complete printing is done in grey and the borders are in orange. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful brownish red color pallu with jari lines, same color blouse piece with zari borders. Saree is in half white. Complete saree is in white and red concept. Beautifully different designs block printed, both in borders as well as in the body. Very elegant work with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. A dark grey, blackish grey color, black and grey mixed color pallu with jari lines and same color blouse piece. Most elegant grey, and we have a beautiful batik printed design on the body, half white base color and batik printing done using grey here, dark grey, and the printing is done vertically in both borders, one in a row in the top and two in a row in the bottom using red color. The flowers are very beautiful. The base of the borders are also on the pallu color shade. Excellent one with authentic silk. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a dark shade color, dark elephant grey, blue, dark navy blues mixed with black to get a beautiful dark shade with the block printed design and zari lines in the pallu on same color blouse piece. It is not inkjet black, neither blue. It is something between both. Very different color, and the border designs are also printed. The body design is done using very beautiful block prints, that is in multicolors. Very elegant one, simple but beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon and orange color pallu with zari lines vertically, thus alternatively given, and we have a line, a brown color, almost a brownish pastel color pallu with one side maroon borders. Very different combination. The pallu, blouse piece, everything is in contrast nature, and the saree is in orange color base, and the printing is done in the lower half. Beautiful floral, kalamkari kind printing design, and next to that we have the horizontal orange and red, as well as the borders are in the brown base. Very different concept saree, colorful one with authentic silk knit. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful red saree, completely red, a dark shade, beautiful chilli red color with zari lines in the pallu, and same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece. The saree is beautifully in same color, completely in single color, no contrast concept, and we have the block prints in half white color, a circles, rings pattern, very elegantly printed. Simple, very beautiful saree, excellent color, rare one in Tussar with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark purple color pallu with zari lines and zari border, and same color blouse piece, a pinkish purple, very beautiful color. The saree is in a half white base, Tussar color, creamy Tussar, and you can see a beautiful printing design in a staircase pattern. It rises and lowers all over the saree. The printing is being done in the same pattern with very elegant purple, dark purple borders on both sides. Very elegant concept sarees, classy one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful multi-color pallu, very colorful, and one side full black pallu with same black blouse piece, and one side we have orange color borders. The saree is in base, half white color, and very beautiful concept, the small triangles that is done in a checker pattern. Both orange and pink is alternatively used the whole saree printing. Very elegant one. The borders are in black base, excellent and very trendy with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful bottle green color, very different color Tussar silk saree, very rare in Tussar, and you can see the zari lines and block printed design and leaf design, beautifully done with same color blouse piece, completely in single color saree concept, no contrast. Only the block prints are in contrast color here, completely in plain version. Only the border designs are done in half white color. Excellent block printed design, multiple designs used with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful violet color saree, magenta pink mixed with black to get a beautiful violet shade, completely in same color pallu with block prints and zari lines, and we have same color blouse piece. The complete saree is in single color concept here. Only the block prints are in contrast, half white color. The border design is completely done in the block printing, multiple floral design pattern, and it's a simple and very elegant saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful red pallu with zari lines and zari border. Same red blouse piece, completely plain one with the zari borders. The saree is in Tussar color, half white, very beautiful creamy half white color with the borders in the red and the beautiful block prints also in the red and green. So you can see the floral pattern, very different flower pattern here, printed in red base color. Very elegant saree, classy looking with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful reddish pink color saree, a beautiful pink, a kumkumam pink here, with very elegant block print design, completely done in white, and we also have zari lines as usual and plain blouse piece. The saree is almost completely in same shade, running color, And very simple too. Only in the lower half of the saree, the lower bottom, we have the beautiful. Upper half alone, we have the beautiful printings. Otherwise, the complete saree is plain. Very different concept. Only the chest portion will have the block prints. Elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink and violet shade color pallu, multiple shades, and purple is also given on white base. Here block printed, and we also have zari lines in the saree. Very contrast and beautiful purple color pallu, the blouse piece. Saree is in a very beautiful concept, multiple colors, the shades of pink, red and violet is given all over. You can see the differences. Very elegantly it's been done, a colorful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, temple type design block printed in the pallu, grey base and white base with zari lines, and dark grey color, almost a blackish grey it is, with the body color in completely half white color, mild green color, and the bird pattern is printed all over in the grey. And we also have big temple design borders in both sides of the saree. Very elegant stuff, completely in grey and half white with authentic silk.